What's up guys? Today the plan is to get the KZ up and running. I changed the battery because I couldn't keep up with charging it over the winter and it just finally died. It can be kind of frustrating, but if you can't keep batteries, charged up, they don't last very long. If you're interested in seeing how to fill a lead acid battery, you can check out the video right here. This is what I expected. The bike only runs on full choke, and if I open the throttle or release the choke, the motor falls flat on its face. Most likely the pilot circuits and the carburetors are gummed up from old gas. We could tear the carbs apart to clean them, and maybe that's the better way to do it, but there is an easier, although slightly riskier, fix that we can try first. On the intake side of the carbs is a passage that connects to the pilot circuit. I'm gonna give a couple blasts of brake cleaner into that port to try to clear out the gunk. To be honest, I can't remember which port is which, so I'm gonna spray in each hole. Just don't go crazy with this because the brake cleaner will act like starter fluid and you don't want to burn out a piston or valve.
Wow.